Hey everyone, welcome to Fitsoft. In this video, we will learn how to install Java on Windows 11. I will show you everything step by step. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer. Go to Google and type Oracle Java. Then press Enter. From the search results, open the official website. Once the website opens, click on Download Java. Scroll down a little. Here you will see different Java versions listed. This is the current version of Java. Then scroll down and you will see different operating systems. Select Windows here. Under Windows, click on the link for 64-bit installer, which is around 180 megabytes in size. The download will start. Wait until it finishes. When the download finishes, right-click on Setup File and open it to start installation. The Java Setup window will appear. Click Next. You will see the installation path where Java will be installed. Keep it as it is and click Next again. Now Java will start installing. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Close. Java has now been installed successfully. Next, we need to set the Java path. Now, open the Start menu. Type Environment Variables. Click on Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find Path and double-click it. Now, open File Explorer. Go to the C drive. Then open Program Files. Open the Java folder. Then open the JDK folder. Inside that, open the bin folder. Click on the address bar and copy the full path. Click New and paste the copied Java bin path. Click OK. Now, Java path setup is complete. Let's verify the Java installation. Open the Start menu, type cmd, and open Command Prompt. Let's type Java -version and press Enter. If you see the Java version displayed, that means Java is installed successfully. If this video helped you, then like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in comment section.